How to withdraw money on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually withdraw money on Cash App. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to withdraw money on Cash App, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all launch the Cash App. To be able to withdraw money, you need to have money. In order to have money, you need to deposit money, and in order to deposit money, you need to link your payment methods such as your card, your debit or credit, or even your bank account. So for this, first of all, after you launch the Cash App, come to the home or the banking tab. You can see my cash balance is $0.00. So basically, before I try to withdraw it, you can add cash by typing the add cash button over here, linking up your debit card or credit card or whatever else is actually convenient for you. Just go ahead and confirm your cash pin. Once you basically also confirm your cash pin, you will be able to simply add cash. Now let's say that you have added cash, right? How do you withdraw it? So to withdraw it, if you look closely here, you would have found the cash out button, and to cash out, just tap on it. After you tap on cash out, if you have balance, it will ask you to select the payment method where you want to cash out, whether you want to send it to your bank, whether you want to send it to another user, or whatever else. You can follow the instructions in order to withdraw your money from Cash App. That is it for this video on how you can withdraw your Cash App money. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.